What's up, folks? This is Derek Vick from Vic's World Famous Chicken in the Cooler, bringing you a super duper recipe I know you're gonna love. We are gonna have the ultimate pork belly bites. Just like candy, melt in your mouth, crispy skin, super seasoned. First thing you gotta do in the cooler is wash your meat. Let's wash that meat. Pork belly, HEB. There's that meat. That fat and that marbling of that pork belly. So what I'm going to do is I want to turn it over so you can see the fat side, and then I'm going to cut it up into cubes. Season it, put it on the Traeger for 3 hours. Let's get it started. Let's pat this meat, get a little dry. And I know you guys see 2 knives on this cutting board. Which knife do you think will do the best in cubing this? So I'm gonna try with my handy dandy cutlux, I guess it's C-U-T-L-U-X-E. See which one cuts easiest. Pretty easy cut right there. Super sharp knife. Really shouldn't have my hand laying flat like that. Should be like this all times. It's pretty easy with that knife. Now, let's try my bone knife over here. Also, very easy. And this is what this knife is made for. So, in just that one cut, I can tell this knife right here is easier and more flexible to cut this. Definitely like butter going through that pork belly. So I'm gonna cook this pork belly on the Traeger for about 3 hours. You know, I usually don't cook the time, I cook to when it's done. But some of you guys need a time, so I'm gonna say, give or take 3 hours. Then I'm gonna put it in the pan, aluminum foil, sauce it, maybe drop a little bit more seasoning, and then put it back on the Traeger, 30, 45 more minutes until it's caramelized and looking good. Then we're gonna, hopefully that pork belly top is crispy. So 1 to 10, this is way easier than this one. Just FYI. That's a terrible cut right there, but there's no need to keep going there. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it in cubes. I don't wanna waste any of this seasoning, so I'm gonna put it all in this pan right here. See it fall in there. This is a little sweet. Put on top of what I'm gonna put on sweet and layers. Let that seasoning falling out of there. Then man, I can't wait. The smells already are great. I can smell the sweetness in this rub. Meat Church, try your rub, brother. couple more sprinkles. Meat to be fully covered. You can see it in there. Look at that. Make sure you cover your meat like this, folks. You want that bite, every bite to be seasoned, sweet, savory, smoky. You gotta make sure you get all those flavors in that meat. Slide these over here. Try not to waste any of this good seasoning. You know, the other day, some person said in my video, if you season the sides, it's overkill. Not where I'm from. If you don't season the sides, they'll kill you on the reviews. From North Carolina, that food got to be seasoned everywhere. I should have put that holy cow on this one just to give it a different, so I could taste all of it, but I use it next time. So folks, I'll let these gorgeous pieces of meat sit for like 10, 15 minutes. As you can see, that seasoning is starting to seep in the meat, making it look shiny, sweet, delicious. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna put them on this rack. Fat side up. Just makes it easier while you're cooking, man. You gotta keep moving these little delectable bites of greatness around. Keep opening up the pit over and over again. Nah, just throw them on this nice, beautiful rack. Put them in the Traeger at 275. Go upstairs, get you a mixed beverage and a cigar. And as the pit is smoking this meat, you smoke a great cigar. And if you want to, switch it up. Put some fat side down, some fat side up. See which ones you like the best. Here, see that? There you go right there. Fat side up, same size. I should say fat side up, fat side down. That way you can find out which ones are the best. But that's up to you. I like to do mine fat side up. This wasn't a very big pork belly, and it's given quite a few bites. So 275, like I said, for about 3 hours on my Traeger 770. I don't have the super smoke one yet. I got an older Traeger. I will be hopefully getting one soon. Traeger, if you're out there listening, I would love to continue to use yours. If you want to give me one, so I can also let people or test it, and then if you give me one, then I will give one away. And those strips, folks, I'm just gonna put on the grate because they can hold their own. They don't need no extra help. I also switched pellets today. Usually I use Traeger signature pellets, but today I'm gonna try the B&B Championship Series pellets to see if I like those on this cook right here. There you have it, folks. All laid out, pretty. 100 beautiful bites of deliciousness. Let's go. Traeger is at $2.75, and it's time to get these great bites of pork belly cooking for dinner tonight. Tighten. We're about 2 hours in. Let's take a peek. Oh, looky. Look like candy. Little bite-sized morsels of fucking goodness. 2 hours in, people. Hour to go. Okay, folks, 3 hours in, let's check this candy. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Painted with some barbecue sauce. Oh, get back on there. Painted with some sauce. Hit half with sauce, half without no sauce. A little more than half with sauce. Usually I would take it another 30 minutes with the sauce on there, but I don't think I'm gonna let it go 30. They look like they're ready to come off. Paint them like that. Painted candies. Ooh. Peep. Oh yeah, they're ready. All right, folks, all said and done. Pork belly burnt ends, candy style, complete. Show you a big one like this. Oh man, those are outstanding. Meat Church, thanks for showing me that video. It was great. It inspired me to try these. Absolutely off the chain. Even the big ones. like, comment, subscribe. Vic's World Family Chicken in the Cooler. See ya. Burn ends, pork belly. Gotta get some.